Hi guys, it's Candace here. So, as you know, we're all on quarantine and I have been sitting in the house driving myself crazy, twirling my fingers through my curly fro, and I'm like, this is not gonna get it. No, this is not gonna get it. I gotta figure out something to piece my hair together. Because we're on quarantine, I'm stuck in this house. So I said, why not try to find me a good protective style that will at least last me 1 to 2 months until I can, get out and get my hair done. So I call this the COVID-19 quarantine protective style. I ordered the spring twist hair from Amazon and it came in about 2 days, and I'll list everything that I use down in the description box and also the link to purchase the hair as well. Just keep watching and I'm going to show you all the tools that you need, all the products that you need, everything to create this look, okay? Because I'm trying to help us out. Like, we gotta do something while we're sitting in this house, and I know you don't want to sit in your house not looking cute. I mean, who don't like to have their hair done? Yes, sis. So I got you, okay? So stay tuned. Wait, also, look, I almost forgot. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, okay? Share to your friends, your mama, your cousins. Let everybody know that Candace got us for this quarantine, okay? Thanks. All right, so this hair came from Beyond Beauty from Amazon, and I'll be sure to put the link down in my description box. It came with 3 packs, and I used all 3 for this entire look. So I take 2 spring twists, which gives me a shoulder length look, and you'll see I take my thumb to go ahead and stretch out the hair. You want to try to get all the curls and kinks out as much as you can. So now that it's stretched out, we're ready to go. I like to go ahead and lay all of my spring twists out on a rack. That way it'll make my process move so much faster. For this look, you'll need a comb, clips, hair crochet needle, hair scissors, hair oil, styling pomade, curling cream, foam lotion. Now I go ahead and apply the oil all to my hair. I like to make sure I rub it in as much as possible because my hair tends to soak up a lot of moisture. So I go ahead and then make my part. I was so glad that I made this part like literally the first time. It was super easy. Now you want to split your hair into 3 equal sections. This is where we begin to do our braid. The scalp braid is going to help us lock our hair into place so that we can put the crochet needle through it. So you'll see me take 1 piece at a time and just begin to braid as tight as possible. You only need to braid about a 1/2 inch away from your scalp. Now you're going to take your crochet needle and put it through the root of the braid. You want to take your spring twist hair and twist it as tight as possible. That way it will hook onto the crochet needle as seamless as possible. It should slide right on. Make sure that it's secure and go ahead and close up your crochet needle. Slide the needle back through the root of your hair, and then we're going to take some of the hair out. That way we have a tight grip at the root. This is perfect so that you make sure that your twists do not slide. Now go ahead and put the curling cream and some foam wrap onto your natural hair. Go ahead and take your hair and put it with one side of the spring twist and wrap the other spring twist around it. You're going to twist and twist. So now you're going to split your hair into 2 sections and twist with your real hair and the spring twist all around both times. And you're just going to keep twisting and twisting. And you can add as much product to your hair as you want to help you twist seamlessly. Since this hair was already curly, the foam wrap and you twisting your finger around it just helps define that curl at the end. So we've completed 1. Looks good. Now we're just going to do all those steps all over again. Go ahead and split your hair to make another part. And for me, I liked my parts medium size. You can make them smaller or bigger, but I felt like medium size was a good look. Now latch it on there, make sure it's secure, close it and pull it back through. And you're only going to take half of the hair back through the root of your braid. And go ahead and apply more product to your hair. Twist, twist, and then you're going to separate your rear hair into two and then keep twisting. And like I said, you can add as much product to the hair as you want to maybe help your fingers guide better on the hair and twist as fast as possible. So you may see a little stringy part at the end of the twist. That's fine. Go ahead and take your scissors and just cut that off. And then all you have to do is stretch the hair out and continue to twist. These twists were by far the easiest style ever. We're all done. I mean, look, they're super cute. They're very lightweight. They match my natural texture of hair, and I just can't wait to style them. I hope you guys enjoy, and please make sure you tag me on Instagram when you do this style because I want to see. Thanks again. Like, subscribe, follow, and share, and I'll see you guys next time.